forgot my gloves. Gross. So the idea here is we're gonna border the stripe with this, give it some Germanic muscle. Right about there. But obviously it'll blend. I think it's gonna blend nicely. So we're losing a lot of light and everything, but I'm pretty excited. It's really looking a lot bolder than it did just a little while ago, and we'll get to some better lighting.
Mash up.
I shouldn't have said that. That was weird. I'm an artist, not a factory worker. I did it.